Alrighty, I just want to show you a quick example of how to add in a VRSCENE file. So I'm going to go to the menu over here in 3 Studio Max, and I'll click down on this menu item and I'll go to V-Ray, and under the object type under V-Ray I'm going to select VRSCENE file, and I am going to in this case browse to my folder, and this is for Simon. And Simon, I will select, let's say, this Fiat as an example and say OK. And now I'm just going to place this, I'll make sure I select that again, place this directly in the scene, and you'll see it shows up directly here on my perspective view. And if I go ahead now and render this with V-Ray, you will see that I'm in the top view, but so I get the top view. I'll stop V-Ray and I'll go to the perspective view so you can see it in all of its glory, and boom, here's your 3D model, which is in V-Ray format, which is an RPC. So here you go.